Hi, I'm Tim Rumley. I'm your instructor for the Master of Arts in Ministry program seminar here at Grace Christian University, and I'm delighted to be sharing this course with you. In this welcome video, I just want to look around the course a little bit, give you the lay of the land. You might be a veteran online student, or this might be your first online course. I'm not sure, but in either event, I hope this will help you out. This is the landing page where you come to at the beginning of the course. The thing I want you to see here is my announcements. Every week I'll put an announcement up in which I talk about what's coming up that week. And in fact, this week there'll be two of them because I'm making this one to welcome you to the course. I'm going to make another one that goes over module number 1. But if you click in more announcements here, it takes you to the announcements page, and all of the announcements that are current in the course will be right here. You'll be able to scroll down through them. And I'll make one a week for sure. I probably will put some others up there. Now the meat, before I do that, the next thing over here, this is program seminar. That'll get you to the main page. Then we have course information. That gets you to this crucial course information with the syllabus. The syllabus is your guide to a college or graduate school course. Download the syllabus, read the whole thing. That is what we are following as we do this. Then you'll find some policies, attendance and online, plagiarism, online etiquette, a link to the Grace Online Writing Lab. There are folks there who can help you improve your papers, and a link to Grace's Bultema library. When you look at the week 1 video, I'll be showing you something there, along with other resources here. Be sure to check out the course information. Now, the meat of the course is over here in the modules. Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 4, Module 5, Module 6. Each module corresponds to a week, and so in each week's announcement, I'll go into that module like this. I'll click and go in there, and we'll talk our way through what's in each module. So if you watch the week 1 seminar or video right after this, you'll see the week 1 module. But there's another thing down here called My Grades. When you click on My Grades, now I don't have this fully set up yet, but each of your assignments is here, and when it's graded, the grade will be over here on the right. And when I've assigned rubrics to every activity, you will have this View Rubric link. Now the rubric is pre-assigned for this weekly reflection, so we'll use that as an example. If I click on View Rubric, it gives me the rubric or scoring guide for that assignment. I recommend before you do every assignment that you look at the rubric. And as I said, when I get them all assigned in here, they'll be in every assignment here. Now I'll go back to the announcements page, and I'll simply point out that in the welcome announcement, and this video will be in this welcome announcement when you see it, my contact information is right here. I am happy to hear from you, happy to help you out. I'm Tim Rumley, Dr. Tim Rumley. Emails trumley@gracechristian.edu. My office phone at Grace Christian University is there, and my cell phone is there. Look forward to sharing the course with you. I'm glad you're here. Be sure to put your introductory post in the course introductions, and let's have a great class together.